What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be applying this wig. Right here I'm just going to be adding some makeup to the inside of the lace so that it matches my scalp or wig cap once I put the wig on my head. If you are interested in ordering this wig, I will be posting the Amazon link down below in the description box. When applying the foundation to the lace, I like to make sure to get the edges really good. That way it looks natural, as if the hair was coming out of my scalp, because it matches well. Right here, I'm just going to be cutting off the excess lace and tying it up in the back so that I can start to apply my first layer of glue. When applying the glue, make sure you add an even coat so that it can dry evenly and it'll stick evenly around your head. You won't have to apply extra glue. So right here, I'm just making a divide in the back of the lace between the tracks so that I can secure the straps together through the wig. And this just gives you the illusion of a glueless a glueless wig instead of having to apply multiple layers of glue. Right here, I'm just applying the glue that I'm going to be using to secure the wig, and then I'm going to be cutting the lace into sections so that it's easier to apply to the glue. Make sure to dry the glue until it turns clear, and then you're ready to secure your wig. Here I'm going to be applying an elastic band so that the wig can be secure and melted down for about 5 to 10 minutes. That just lets the glue dry, and then I'm going to come back and cut the excess lace off and style the wig for you guys.
Hey guys, I'm back with part 2 on this wig review. This is the hair, and I love it. What y'all think?